Every cell in your body exists because of a decision to divide. But how it divides changes everything. It's a choice between creating a perfect copy or shuffling the genetic deck to create something entirely new. First, there's mitosis. Think of it as the body's master cloner. When you heal a cut or simply grow, your cells use mitosis. They meticulously duplicate their DNA and perform a carefully choreographed dance through stages like prophase, metaphase, and anaphase. The goal is absolute precision, resulting in two daughter cells that are genetically identical to the parent. It's the engine of continuity, ensuring your tissues remain stable and true to form. Then there's the wilder path, meiosis. This process isn't for growth, it's for creating the next generation. Instead of cloning, meiosis deliberately introduces variation. During its two-part division, homologous chromosomes pair up and literally swap genetic segments in a process called crossing over. Then, these pairs line up and separate randomly, a principle known as independent assortment. The result is 4 unique sperm or egg cells, each with half the genetic material of the parent. This is the raw material for evolution. Overseeing both these paths is the cell cycle, a tightly regulated system with critical checkpoints. These checkpoints act like molecular gatekeepers, ensuring only cells that have correctly duplicated their DNA and met all conditions are allowed to divide. When this control system fails, when the gatekeepers malfunction, a cell can begin to divide uncontrollably. This loss of regulation is the fundamental basis of cancer, where the machinery of life runs rampant. So, cell division is a story of profound duality. It's the source of both perfect replication and endless variety, the very process that builds us, and when its rules are broken, can threaten our existence.